seeing some giraffes.
Giraffes! Wow!
Or, to use their scientific name, camelopardalis.
They got their name because they look like a cross between a camel and a leopard.
Put the two together and you get camelopardalis.
Now, look closely everyone and make note of how many animals you can see so that we can document the number of this herd.
In the wild, the giraffe population has dropped by 40% in the past 30 years due to poaching and habitat loss.
Chessington Conservation supports giraffe conservation by funding scientific research, field surveys and improving security of the reserves.
We think giraffes are some of the most amazing creatures on the planet.
They can live up to 25 years in the wild and can grow as tall as 6 metres. That's 18 feet.
That's as tall as a house.
Yes, and their long legs help them run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour.
Wow! That's as fast as a truck.
Due to the melanin that acts as a sort of sunscreen and prevents their tongues getting sunburned during...
Look around, adventurers, and you might be able to see some antelope with white blaze on their faces. These are called blesbok.
They were once one of the most abundant antelope species of the African plains, but they became an endangered species during the early colonisation of South Africa, when they were hunted for skin and meat. Thankfully, numbers have now since recovered and they are now deemed as least concerned species.
They live for up to 17 years and both males and females have horns.
Though the female's horns are slightly more slender. The reserve is now home to a family of scimitar-horned oryx.
They're beautiful.
Their most distinguishing feature are their long sickle-shaped horns. They curve backwards and on average reach a length of 40 inches. Up until a few years ago, they were listed as extinct in the wild, but now, thanks to successful reintroduction projects, they are endangered in the wild. But those that live here are part of an international breeding program to help re-establish the species in North Africa.
Oh, that's good news. Researchers, our satellites are showing that something's obstructing the route.
Oh, we recommend that you take an alternative route through this amazing cave we've discovered. We've been taking research samples from inside this magical place.
Wow!
We've never seen anything like it before.
Researchers, can you hear us?
We lost you for a moment.
Welcome back, everyone.
We hope you enjoyed travelling through Zufari and that you were lucky enough to see some of our magnificent animals. Don't forget to support Chessington Conservation to help protect our beautiful animals in the wild too.
Now please remain fully seated until you're back at base, where a member of our expedition team will tell you when it's safe to leave the vehicle.
Thanks for joining us.
What a wild adventure that was.
We hope to see you again soon, here at Zufari.
Goodbye everyone. Kwaheri.